Hi everybody, I am here to show you the exit ticket for this week. I hope you still have yours so you will be able to correct the mistakes that you did. If you had no mistakes, that means you did a good job. Alright, let's begin. Let's not forget the RDW strategy. Let's read. Mrs. Bell pours 36 liters of water equally into 9 containers. How much water is in each container? Use a letter to represent the unknown. I need to know what is the unknown. So, we have to label 36 as your total, 9 as your group, and of course, the unknown is your size. Now let's draw. To draw, we can have 9 containers. I know that my total is this 36 liters of water. I don't know what goes inside, but I know that there's 9 containers. So let's look at our number sentence. I have 36, which is my total, divided by 9, which is my group. I don't know my size. And 36 divided by 9 is S. I know 9 times S is 36. Let's keep count by 9. 9, 18, 27, 36. We have S as your 4 because we used our skip counting by 9. Or we say because I know that 9 times 4 is 36. Your answer is 4. Let's check.
4, 8, 12, 16, 24, 28, 32, 36.
So boys and girls, our answer should be there. Now let's go back to the question. How much water is in each container? There.
4 liters in each container.
And that's the answer for number 1. Now let's go to number 2. Marlon buys 9 packs of hot dogs. There are 6 hot dogs in each pack. After the barbecue, 35 hot dogs are left over. How many hot dogs were eaten? Boys and girls, I saw 3 numbers. So that means this one is a 2-step problem. Remember, if you see more than 2 information or 2 numbers in a problem, most likely it's a 2-step problem. So let's go ahead and take 1 step at a time. Marlon buys 9 packs of hot dogs. A pack holds something. So this is our group. There are 6 hot dogs in each pack. In each pack, there's 6. So this is our size. Do we know the total? We don't know the total. So let's put T as your unknown. And then we can answer the question after. Now let's go to the first drawing, which is we need to have our total hot dogs because we don't know how many. I know there's 9 packs, so we need to make 9 boxes. I know that in 1 pack there's 6, so now we are going to put 6 inside. Do we know the total from the problem? You will say it's 35, but we have to make sure it's count 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, or 9 groups of 6 is 54 hot dogs. So this is our first step actually. We did 9 times 6 equals 54 hot dogs. But is this the answer for a question? Let's go back and see what the question is asking us. It says, after the barbecue, 35 hot dogs are left over. How many hot dogs were eaten? How many hot dogs were eaten? We can't say 54 hot dogs were eaten. We have to do our next step, which is subtract. Because if we have 54 hot dogs and there's 35 left over, okay, This is your leftover. And this is the unknown. How many hot dogs are eaten? So boys and girls, if I have 35 and I have something that we put together, the total is 54. So, what should I do? Definitely, we need to subtract this one. Now, let's subtract. 54 minus 35 equals 4 minus 5. We know that we need to regroup that. And this will become 14. 14 minus 5 is 9. 4 minus 3 is 1. And so the answer is, how many hot dogs were eaten? 19 hot dogs were eaten. Okay, boys and girls, that's the answer for our exit ticket. Please make sure that you correct your mistakes. Practice makes perfect. I'll see you again tomorrow. Bye!